What if there's one simple action that as an Uber Eats driver you could do? It takes less than 30 seconds. If you do it how I'm going to explain, you have an increased chance for a higher tip. And this also applies to drivers that basically struggle with the variety of customers that are out there. I do think a majority of drivers are passing this opportunity by, but now that's not going to be you. I'm going to share a text message that you can take action on at a certain time during the delivery. I'm also going to give you some compelling reasons when I took a couple orders as a customer. That's right there when I realized drivers, they're missing out on this opportunity. And then I'm also going to follow up with why this matters. That way, and again, just keep an open mind and be willing to try this, okay? Just try it for 2 weeks. Do it as an experiment and see if you notice the difference. And then finally, have you ever considered the impact of all the fees that the customers pay? Have you ever wondered, does that affect how much they tip you? Well, more on that in a little bit. Before I share the details of that text message, I want to tell you a little bit about the most recent order that I did on Uber Eats as a customer. You know, I've got an elderly cat. I needed to be there and spend some quality time with him, so I wasn't able to go out and get some lunch. But the good news, drivers like you were there to help me on Uber Eats in my time of need as a customer. So I did an order. It was to Panda Express. And of course, you know, the plate, well, we won't get into that too much. Say the plate is normally $10. I noticed it was like $12 or $13. And then let's look at the fees here. It was 99 cents, and then they refunded that as a perk. The service fee was $3.50. So basically the driver got $3.50, or I would assume. And then I did give a tip of $3. And it was really nice because I could sit there on my phone and then watch the driver go to the restaurant, pick up the order, and then it made its way to my home. And then it's neat, you know, the app notifies the customer right when the order is about to be dropped off. And then I was watching in the Ring camera, and that brings up another bonus point. You never know who's watching you, so be on your best behavior. Always have that hot bag. Anyway, this driver did not use a hot bag. He set the package down, the food. I saw him take a picture and then leave. This is the part where I was noticing where this tip comes in. So I tipped $3. If he got $3.50, I'm assuming that was a good trip. It was only a few miles. Maybe he got $6 or $7, including the tip. I would hope so. But where was the communication during this? I was busy holding on to my cat, so I didn't have a need to message him. But this driver, he never contacted me. And this was interesting because I thought, hey, what if we could just connect as human beings and he wouldn't even know that he was doing me such a great favor because it wasn't a meet at door. He's just leaving it. Could I have given him a higher tip? Maybe. And what would drive that higher tip? Maybe a human connection, maybe him reaching out, just saying something to me. And I could say, oh yeah, thanks, have a great day. That didn't happen. So that reminded me of a shop and pay order that I did as a customer. And I made a previous video on that. So I was out working out. I did not want to talk to the driver. I wanted to put this to the test to see if how it would go with that shop and deliver order. And it ended up going fine. I came home and the groceries were right there. And there was no communication from the driver, not even while he was shopping my batch. Nothing. Which is fine. Maybe everything was smooth, but he never said hi. He never gave a status. And then he never said, thanks, have a great day. So I tipped well for that order because I wanted it to be worth his while. But as a driver, can you already see where this is going? How hard is it to say, thanks, have a great day, or say, thank you, I dropped off your order and it was a pleasure to serve you? Anything. What do you think it would take to get a higher tip from the customer? And actually, that's a great point. Right now, please share in the comments How many times when you do the orders, whatever it is on Uber Eats, any of the shop and pay or food delivery, how many times do you get a tip and then it becomes higher after the order? Please share that in the comments and let me know. Do you send any kind of message to the customer? Do you tell the customer, thank you? That's the key tip right here. Do you say thank you? Now, I will say for the hand at door orders, the couple that I've done, where I did see the driver, he would say thank you, and then we had that great interaction. And then you know what? That's the spot where as a customer, I would be inclined to tip more because you would see them. But when it's just leave at door, there's no connection there. So let's get right into this tip, and I'm sure you can already guess what it is. All right, here's the tip. I've got my phone, and I'm going to give you how to do it on iPhone and Android. So what you need to do is send a text message saying basically, thank you, and I'll show you my message here in just a second. You do it when you take the drop-off picture, and then you can put in some words there. So on the iPhone, it's called text replacement, and you can look that up on your phone. On Android, it's called personal dictionary. So what I do is I use TTT because no word is spelled like that. So I put 3 T's in here, and then all of a sudden my message pops up, and you can copy this. It's so simple. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you again, comma, Russ. So just with that short message, if both of the drivers on my orders had sent a message like this to me, maybe I would have said, wow, they're so kind, or I really appreciate their hard work. We had that human-to-human connection, and maybe I would have increased my tip. So that action, you saw me typing, that took definitely less than 30 seconds. Let's say 10 seconds to close out the order and send that message. Is 10 seconds a worthy investment of your time with the potential of increasing your tip for basically no extra work? Do you think that's worth it? I sure do. I've been doing this for years now, and I always get good ratings and good tips as well. So what can it hurt? And this gets into why this matters. What you're doing, as I've already alluded to, is creating that connection human to human being. We're not just a driver dropping off something to someone we don't care about. It's usually food, and they're eagerly anticipating it. They're happy. So why not show that you care about your job and you're dedicated to serve that customer? Why not just say thank you? That little bit of effort, it might work out to be an extra $1 or $2 for the tip. Obviously, definitely talk to the customer on all the hand-to-me orders. Right there, you have that great opportunity to say, hi, I'm Russ with Uber Eats. How's your day going? Oh, that's great. Here's your order, sir, ma'am, and thank you so much. It's a pleasure to serve you. Or thank you so much. Why don't you have a great rest of the day? Take care. Just having that human interaction that shows you care. Obviously, you're not going to have a long conversation on your phone, but if you use that short message, what can it hurt? So let me encourage you, for the next 2 weeks, just give it a try. And most of the work will be setting it up in your phone, either using, again, iPhone text replacement or Android, the personal dictionary. Sorry, I haven't used Android in years. So early on, I mentioned, have you ever wondered, when customers pay all these fees, like I did on that one order there from Panda, $3.50, what does that go towards? Wouldn't you wonder if the customer thinks the driver's getting all that money and so I don't have to tip as much? Have you ever wondered that? What if the customers actually don't have to pay a lot of fees? Wouldn't they want to give you a big tip like back in the day for pizza delivery? Well, I've got good news for you. I've made a video where I quickly go through all of my orders, and we're going to break down some patterns here. This was for the month of September, looking for the fees that the customer paid and then if they tipped or not. And it'll be exciting to see what we come up with. And guaranteed, if nothing else, you're going to definitely appreciate all the customers that we get to deliver to. So watch that video next, and I'll see you there.